Hello guys, Igor here for one more SEO for beginners class, and today we are going to talk about anchor texts and link building, a concept that is pretty important to understand how your SEO strategy will work. And what is the anchor text? Anchor text is the visible clickable text in a hyperlink. So when you create your hyperlink, when you create your link on your website, you will refer that link to a page. For instance, paraphrasing with writer's end, you're going to create a link here on that phrase directing to another website or blog post or even an internal link inside your website. And that phrase here is called anchor text, and it's important for SEO. It's the visible clickable text in an hyperlink. And it's pretty easy to understand why it's important for SEO. It's important for SEO because it's the message that you give to people, to your audience, about a link. And that person will click on the link and will redirect to another website. So that process could not be a scam or could not mislead the audience. And this is important to Google, that you have the best content, so you're not misleading or scamming your audience to another website that has nothing to do with your blog article and with what they are searching for, what your audience is searching for. That's why the link building is important for your structure and also for the credibility and the authority of your website. When you are creating your anchor text, you are also doing link building. You are doing internal link building, and also people will create anchor text to your website. So they are link building to your website. So that's a process of link building for you, of course. So that's the really important part of SEO, and it's a really important part of SEO that will make you succeed and have a lot of money. So that's why you need to understand that part, and you need to understand the importance of the anchor text and link building. Google wants a SEO friendly anchor text. And what is it? It's a short and relevant, it's a text that is short and relevant to the page it links to. For instance, paraphrasing with writer's end. It's short, it could be the heading or a description of some blog post, and when the user click here, they know that they will get, and they should get, a blog post about paraphrasing with writer's end. This is important for Google. That's an example of an SEO-friendly anchor text. Again, anchor text is that visible clickable text in an hyperlink. An anchor text can be an exact match or not. And what is the concept of exact match? Anchor text is exact match if it includes a keyword that mirrors the page that's being linked to. For instance, if your blog post has in the heading 1, the title, criminal law, and you create an anchor text titled criminal law, the user gets the page about criminal law, the blog post about criminal law. So this is an exact match. So the exact match could be the title of the blog post or the keyword of the page. Should your link building, so what you do internal on your website, your internal link building, you are linking internally to other pages and posts of your website while you are writing an actual new page or an actual new blog post. In your external link building, people linking to you, to your website, should all those links, those anchor texts, be an exact match? No, but there's no problem to have exact match on your link building. The issue here is that if you have only exact match as link building, If 100% of your link building is an exact match, so it's the keyword, you are telling Google for their algorithm that it's smart now, that you are creating a scam, that this link building is not natural backlinks. You're not getting natural backlinks, you are getting artificial backlinks, and this will harm the reputation of your website. That's why it does not work to buy backlinks. The process needs to be natural. If you buy backlinks, you're going to have an artificial domain authority, but this will not help you with Google algorithm. It will harm your websites and your authority. Okay, so we're going to have an artificial authority, data because of the quantity of the backlinks, but they are not natural. They are direct link scheme. So it's at the end of the day to harm your websites because Google is searching for natural backlinks. It's how they will translate the authority of your website. What Google wants you to do with the backlinks. First, use a phrase that tells the readers what they will see after they click on the link. So for instance here, if that blog post, that anchor text and the hyperlink is reacting to a website about how to paraphrase with writers and a blog post, this is a Google's SEO-friendly anchor text because we are using a phrase that tells the reader what they will see after they click on the link. So Google does not want you to mislead the reader. You are telling the reader what he or she will find. This is a SEO-friendly anchor text. Google wants also the exact text of the title or heading you are referencing or a description of the destination page are examples of good linking texts. When you create an anchor text, try to use a text of the title or heading. If it's like title, you're gonna likely create an exact match because it will be based on the keyword, or a description of the destination page. For instance, the destination page here could be a blog post about how to use Writer's End in 2022 and how to use Writer's End in 2022, rewrite your content automatically. And here you're saying paraphrasing with Writer's End. So you are adding a description in that case about the page, the destination page. Also, of course, remember that Google wants short backlinks and relevant. So we're going to add relevant content. You're directing the person to something that is important for them to learn more about the main topic of your blog post or website, and also is short. You're not adding a long link, you're adding a short link. That way you are link building correctly. Remember, direct link scheme will harm your reputation at the end of the day. So you do not want to buy links. You do not want to have only exact match because it will translate to Google that there's no diversity, because usually Google knows how natural backlinks works, and natural backlinks works in a way that you get exact match and you get descriptions of the destination page and also image linking to your website. So the link building needs to be diverse. If it's only exact match, it means that it's a scheme. So you have a certain percentage of the description of the destination page because it's natural. People are writing a blog post, and on the paragraph, there's something important on your blog post on your website. And then the website of the person of the company, remember, I'm writing that paragraph based on that article, your article. So I'm going to reference in here. And they will naturally select a part of their paragraph and will link. And that part will likely be a description of your page. So Google wants that natural backlink building, not direct link scheme. So do not buy backlinks, okay? That's the main reason why you can't buy backlinks, because Google recognize what they want and they want natural backlinks building, because that's how you have that's how you prove you have the best content. So the backlinks is not like about having a lot of links, because if you have a lot of links and you do not have the best content, it's not what Google wants. The backlinks is are only the translation that you have a good content, and it will only be real if it's natural. If people are naturally backlinking to your website because your content is relevant. Okay, so avoid direct link schemes, buying links, or exchange without any, using black hat techniques to get backlinks. It will only harm the reputation of your website. Okay, so a really good to paraphrase is Writer's End. I add a link in the description so you can take a look. And Writer's End will help you a lot to find those keywords and to understand what topics are relevant, and at the end of the day to help you to create descriptions to the destination page. I hope you liked that review, that class. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.